Are you excited to know what content I will be sharing today? Well, you have to be, because I will be disclosing a free app that helps you earn while you are at home. Imagine just by receiving and reading emails, you will be paid. Bear with me until the end of this video tutorial if you want to know what app this is and what steps to follow to be rewarded wherever you are around the world. Before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe now. Don't forget to like this video and be notified whenever there's a new posted video by clicking the bell icon. Comment down if you learned anything today and let me know if you want to explore more ways of earning online. I grab my phone first thing in the morning and check my emails to see if there's anything new. But what if there was a way to get paid simply by receiving emails? All you have to do is sign up for this free app. Enter your email address to automatically get emails and be rewarded. Let's get started with this tutorial. So first and foremost, I'd like to think and I'll show you that this works. Believe this is a valuable investment of your time. As you can see, the number is 5,179. You can make payments on this platform right now. In the United States, you can view everything that costs more than $5,000. These individuals come from many parts of the world. This allows you to receive payment right away, simply by obtaining the platform's email addresses. People from Brazil, Mexico, India, Thailand, and Indonesia can be seen. All of these countries are accepted and this platform works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Now in this video, I'll also be showing you how you can maximize your results, how you can maximize your earnings with this platform, and how you can make more money. So make sure you're paying attention all throughout this video. Step 1. To receive emails, you'll need an email address for yourself, which you may get from gmail.com. You can use Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or whatever else you choose. The important thing is that you have an email address for yourself. The first advice for maximizing your results is to collect as many email addresses as possible, since the more you have, the more money you will be able to make. Because the more emails you receive, the more money you will be able to make. The sign-up procedure is really straightforward and easy. And I'm sure most of you already know how to do it. But basically, in order to create an email address, you just need to click Create Account and join up for free by entering your first and last names. Make a genuine email, create a password, then accept the terms of service and privacy policy to get started. Now, the platform where they will pay you to read emails is Volutic.com, but this isn't the platform that will help you maximize your results, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, this is over at Volutic.com, which claims to earn money by reading emails. Earn money by reading emails wherever you are, because you can do it from your computer, tablet, or even a smartphone device. For example, if you're in a restaurant, you can just pull up your phone and read emails while you wait for your food. You can do this from your bed and still get paid. And the minimum payout is only 20 cents, which isn't a lot, and you can easily achieve that. It's a really quick process to get just 20 cents, and then you can cash out and spend that money on whatever you want. So it's not like you need thousands of dollars in your account to cash out. You can literally cash out as soon as you have 20 cents. But again, this is not a way to build an actual online business. It's just a quick way to make some extra money on the side. It won't make you a lot of money. It'll only be a couple of dollars, but as you can see, you're paid instantly and you're paid just for reading emails. So it's super simple, but it doesn't pay well. Over 25,000 people around the world are already in Volutic, and you're about to join them in a minute. But first, let me show you proof that this actually works. Here you can see all these people from all over the world being paid. And you can check this for yourself. You can check that folks are being paid instantly with this platform only by reading emails if you scroll down a little bit and click on payment proofs right here. For the next step, simply click the register button to sign up for free. You can do so by creating a unique username for your account and entering your email address in the box, which should be either the email address you just created or the email address you personally use. Create a password and retype your password. You can leave these blank if you don't want to. You'll need to read the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, just check these 2 boxes and hit register. Now, this is extremely important. Once you register, you'll receive an email from Volutic with a link that looks like this. Your Volutic activation link. You must open this because unless you do, you won't be able to use the service. You will be able to start receiving emails now. How do you maximize your results? Well, if you know how email marketing actually works, basically these guys will be sending you different promo materials and different promotions, different ads through email because companies are paying them to send you those ads. Now, you don't have to click on any of those ads and you don't have to buy anything. Of course, all you have to do is open and read those emails on a daily basis, and you'll be paid for each email you receive. However, if you know how email marketing works, you'll also know that most of those emails end up in the spam folder. You can't really find them when they go to spam. You can't read them because you don't have immediate access to them in the primary folder. And that's why a lot of people miss out on a lot of potential with this. So, to maximize your results and ensure that you're always making the most money from Volutic, even if it's only a couple of dollars, but to ensure you're taking full advantage, here's what you'll do. Put these emails in your favorites, so just start the email right here so you can approve it. And if you see it in the spam folder, just remove it. There will be 3 dots that will allow you to remove those emails from the spam folder. So you'll be able to maximize your results, maximize the emails you're receiving, and ultimately maximize the amount of money you make. It's actually not the best way to make money with Volutic. If you actually want to make even more money without even opening those emails, there's another option. If you scroll a little bit down, you'll see that you can get paid instantly also by referring people to Volutic.com. So you can grab your referral link, share it with your friends and family, and anyone else. They will pay you $1 for free, plus you will be making these commissions for the rest of your life. And this is a lot more than just a couple of cents per email you open. With this, you can actually get paid up to $1 per person you refer, which is definitely nicer. Once again, it's not a lot, but it's definitely better. I mean, you're just referring people to a completely free platform where they can sign up and get paid right away by reading emails. And you can even make YouTube videos about it. And no, this video is not affiliated with Volutic in any way. There are no referral links in the description or anywhere else. I'm just sharing this with you because I know it works. This is one of the simplest methods, so go straight to Volutic.com. If you want to maximize your results, you can share your referral link with others. You can share it on Facebook again, or go to Instagram and create an Instagram page about making money. Or simply tell others that they can use your link to sign up for Volutic and make money just by reading emails, and it's completely free for them, so you're doing them a favor. They have a possibility to make at least some money online, and you will be compensated for suggesting them. So, Volutic is rewarding you for getting more people sign up on the platform, and it's all free. And I think that's a win-win situation. And that's how you can maximize your results with Volutic.com by allowing all of these people from all over the world to be an inspiration and motivation. Because as you can see, this definitely works. A lot of people are getting paid every couple of minutes, like people in Indonesia, Ukraine, India, and so on. It works all over the world, so I really hope you found this video useful. I hope you learned something today and liked our tutorial video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss out on any of our new contents. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in one of our future videos.